Okay, for a question like this, we need to know how many possible options there are and how many are greater than 9. So what I'm going to do is just an internet search, rolling to dice. If you're not familiar with dice, they have a scale of 1 to 6. And maybe we can just see right here we have 36 different options, 6 possibilities for the first dice, 6 possibilities for the second dice, and of those, how many are greater than 9? Well, we have a row here of 3 10s, 2 11s, and 1 12. So that's 6 of those 36 are greater than 9. So we can just do a 6 divided by 30, 6 divided by 36 to tell us the um, and then, so we need a simplified form. By the way, if you ever put a fraction in and it's correct but not simplified form and it gets counted wrong, let me know. I'd be glad to put that as a full credit. Okay, what about this one? What about if we have a chart and we want to know if the customer is female and lives in other. So female and lives in other, that'd be 247. Or is male and lived in fraternity? This is kind of an odd question, but that would be right here. And it's an or, so we would need to take this plus this here. So it could be this or it could be this. We need to add these two numbers and divide by 2102. So again, 192 plus 247. And then if we're going to divide that, we better put those in parentheses. And it would be 2,102. That gives us 0.2088. And we can put that in down here. There we go. Okay, complement means the opposite. So if there's 343 and we have 177, we'd want 343 minus 177. So that gives us 166, and then that's out of the entire 343. So 48 point, let's see, what do we need? Number of the outcomes. Oh, sorry. So we just needed that 166 initially. And then if we wanted the percentage that we're left-handed or we're not right-handed, that would have been 48.4%. And finally, if we're trying to determine if something could be a probability, so a probability needs to be between 0 and 1. 0 is impossible, never happens. 1 happens every single time, but you can't have beyond that. So here, because this top number is larger than 21, this could not be a probability.